Biomedical firms in Singapore are set to be able to export more of their pharmaceutical products more widely. Thermal logistics provider va-Q-tec is expanding in the country and tripling its capacity to produce 50,000 temperature-controlled boxes. Heidi Ng has more.
COVID-19 vaccines were transported around the world in containers like this. Each can hold up to 150,000 doses, and the cold storage specialist behind it has already shipped nearly 2 billion vaccine doses.
This flight container is like a very specialized and advanced insulated picnic box. While your typical picnic box can only help to keep your drinks cold for up to 3 to 4 hours, this flight container uses specialized ice packs to keep your medicines and your vaccines as cold as negative 50 degrees Celsius for up to 10 days.
The container has vacuum insulation panels that allow temperature-sensitive pharmaceutical products like insulin and also organs to be kept cold without an external power source. This makes it a sustainable way to transport them, a method that's garnered strong demand.
Singapore is a very important hub for us because we see a lot of increasing pharmaceutical industry here. Many pharmaceutical companies put a new production here, and that's why we need to expand to give a better service to these companies coming to Singapore.
The German company's expansion will triple its production capacity here, allowing it to dispatch 50,000 packaging boxes annually. It's projected to benefit over 100 healthcare and pharmaceutical companies with production in Singapore. That's when it comes to exporting temperature-sensitive products. Meanwhile, more opportunities for collaboration between Singapore and German firms could be created as well.
Singapore sees Germany as the entry point into the European Union. Many, if not all, German businesses see Singapore as the springboard into the ASEAN region. So Singapore might be a small island, the so-called little red dot, but it has a significance in terms of the outreach from Singapore into the region.
Looking ahead, va-Q-tec is also working on using its insulation tech in everyday appliances such as refrigerators, on top of just transporting pharmaceutical products.